our next award, the third winner of the Disruptor Award for Manufacturing Transformation, is a major manufacturer and exporter of bulk ferroalloys with 8 production facilities and 3 expansion projects, and a presence across Europe, MENA, Southeast Asia and the Far East, Africa, Latin America, and the Oceania region.
Their excellent implementation for S/4HANA Private Cloud Edition has ushered them into a phase of highly optimized production planning, improved inventory and scrap handling, and cost control under various areas of operations, including labor efficiency. Some really remarkable outcomes of this project include 30x improvement in stock taking and a 40% faster order processing, among many others.
The winner is Rajadhiraj Tirupani Vinayaka Natraj Pvt Ltd with implementation partner Intellect Bizware. Ladies and gentlemen, can I ask you to put your hands together, an extra round of applause for that handsome young boy who is dressed up and is looking so good in that maroon jacket.